Hey everybody, it's your host here, Chelsey with the Women's Fishing Network. Today I am staying in my hometown of Welcome, Alberta, and I am here at the Len Thompson Fish Pond. And today I have a pretty cool fishing buddy with me. I got my 9-year-old son Jace, so let's see if we can go get on some fish.
Yeah.
So today I'm going to be using this cool green and orange spoon from Getting Hooked Lures. I thought I would try this one out because it's green and that's Jace's favorite color, so maybe it would give us some luck today. I got one! She's got one! Oh, we got a fish! Grab the fish! Grab the net. You want to hold him?
Yeah, I'll get him. I'll get him.
Oh, wow, we got a rainbow!
She's a beauty.
Beautiful rainbow trout, little baby. But we're pretty excited. Jace and I finally got a fish.
Yeah.
Thanks to Getting Hooked Lures. Let's get this guy back in the water. Okay. Oh, there he goes. All right, guys. So we're pretty excited. We got our first rainbow trout. Jace might have to work on his camera skills a little bit, but he was pretty excited. Oh, so anyways, now we're gonna try, maybe we'll get a tiger trout. Yeah! Do you want to reel it in? Yeah. I got one here, got one. Yeah, I do, grab it. Reel it in, she's got one on. Reel it in. I know it's hard, reel it in. Good job, reel it in. There he is. Oh, a beautiful rainbow! Oops! So, bring it over here. You want to release him? He's going. There he goes. Woo! Bye-bye! He was a wiggly one.
Yeah. He's
So since this trout pond is so close to us here in Welcome, one of our favorite things to do in the summer is grab some McDonald's and come sit at the pond and fish and eat supper. So we're just taking a break from fishing and gonna enjoy some McDonald's. So we thought since we were at the Len Thompson pond, we would try Len Thompson hook. So we're gonna try the infamous 5 of diamonds. All right.
one over there.
That's right, go give it a cast, Jace.
Let's see if we catch it.
it out that way where I was catching my fish. A little slower, there you go. Hey everybody, well that makes a wrap for this episode here at the Len Thompson Trout Pond. We had a pretty successful day, hey? Caught 2 rainbow trout. It was a little weird today because I'm used to having people around me telling me what to do and guiding me a little bit, but today I kind of did that with Jake. Well, on today's adventure, I didn't really focus on practicing on any certain skills. I just focused on having fun. When you're with kids, it's all about having fun, and they usually have a short attention span, so that's what we just did. Hung out and had a lot of fun. We've been here for about 3.5 hours now, and we're ready to go home.